Gulf Talkies, sponsored by Township Real Estate Dubai. Co-sponsored by Dunes Cricket Academy. Blue Royal Group of Companies, Dubai. Elegant Star Decor Middle East FC LLC, Events and Exhibitions, Dubai. Pratap Mendonca, Design Infinity, Dubai.
I tried so.
म्हाका इस्कॉल शिकोवप म्हाका तितलें इंट्रस्ट जातलें बेजिकली लायक हांव केदालें आर्ट करचें म्युजिकान म्हाका चड इंट्रस्ट आसलें म्हाका तो फोटोग्राफर थंय मेळ्ळो थंय मेळटना म्हाका ताणें होटलान सांगलें तूं क्रिएटीव आसाय कित्याक तूं ताका एसिस्ट करनाय म्हणून सो दे सेड लायक तूं एसिस्ट करूंक वच म्हूण द फिल्म इंडस्ट्री एकदम न्यू आशिल्ली हांगा So I used to do anything and everything possible. So it was a very good film school for me to learn. आम्ही आपल्या केदाराई anything you do कार्य करताना आपल्या we need to give 100% commitment, dedication.
बिझनेस स्टार्ट करूंक तुका कोण इन्स्पिरेशन आनी फाटल्यान कोणी गॉडफादर आसले की या कॅपिटल आसले की
No. One day in the night, I tell my wife, Marilyn, she's my biggest support system probably. I don't appreciate it as much. But, sometimes when you have people, I think I'm very grateful that she gave me the opportunity to say, do whatever you feel like. I want really to say, business, it's not a business. It's something which comes from passion. So the people who joined me in 2005-06 when I kick-started this company, आज मुझसे मिलूटो का सर
नवो कॅमेरा लॉन्च करताना बहुशा फर्स्ट
100%. I always the first one. Fuji is launching a camera, so I'll be the person who will, they'll come to me. We'll do it here. We do the testing. Also, most of the time when new products yeta na, I always want to be the first to buy them.
यस नमस्कार हांव वॉल्टर नंदलिके आनी तुमी पळोवन आसात गल्फ टॉकीज कोंकणी एक अप्रूप कार्यक्रम आमी गल्फाच्या रेवेरतून सुरू केला दुबईंत हे अभियान सुरू जावन आसतना आज एक डिफरंट फिल्डाक आयल्या मोगाच्या फाटल्या हप्त्यांनी जायत्या उद्यमींक विशेषावन साधकांक आमी तुमकां परिचय करून दिल्या आनी तातूंत वेगवेगळ्या प्रोफेशनाच्या लोकांक तुमकां आमी परिचय करून दिल्या पूण आमच्या मदें असलो एक व्यक्ती आसा आनी ताचें प्रोफेशन कंप्लिटली फिल्माक रिलेटेड तें आसा म्हणून तुमकां कितल्या जाणांक कळीत आसा हांव नेणा पूण एक्शन फिल्म्स म्हणली एक भोव नवडदी कंपनी दुबयंत आसा हांव ताच्या ह्या प्रेमायसाक हांगासर आयला अल्कोज दुबय आयला एक्शन फिल्म्स कॉन्सेप्ट इतलोच बॉलिवूड धरून हॉलिवूड या खंयचेय वूड आसूं दी पूण कंप्लीट ताचें इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर कितें आसा जावं पुरो कॅमेरा जावं पुरो ट्रान्सपोर्ट जावं पुरो ईच एंड एवरीथींग A to Z सप्लाय करची कंपनी ती जावन आसा एक्शन फिल्म्स आनी त्या कंपनीचो फावंडर ओनर जावन आसा क्रिस्पिन केनेडी आनी ताका आमी मोगान केनी म्हणटा आनी आमकां भोव अभिमानाची गजाल ती कितें म्हळ्यार तो उडपीन जल्मोन वाडोवन शिकोवन ताजे उपरांत फाटल्या नियरली अबावट 32 इयर्स जावन दुबयंत वावर करन आसा पूण बारी एक इंट्रस्टींग स्टोरी आसा तुमकांय भोवशा एक नवेंच आज शिकोवंक मेळटा एक नवें इन्स्पिरेशन हाजे तावन मेळटा एक्शन फिल्म्सांत कितें पुरो करतात कित्याक ह्या फिल्डार आयला आनी कित्याक इतलें व्हडलें सेटअप कशें ताणें बिल्ड केलें हें सगळें क्रिस्पिन केनेडी याने केनी तावन आयकया केनी वेलकम टू आवर गल्फ टॉकी शो आनी केनीचें एक ताणें रिक्वेस्ट केलां घालें की म्हळ्यार कोंकणी कंटिन्युअसली ताका उलोवंक जायना पूण मदें मदें इंग्लीश इल्लें मिक्स करता देखून नो प्रॉब्लेम आमकां ताजी स्टोरी कळल्यार पुरो बस खंयची जावं दी नो प्रॉब्लेम केनी थँक्यू फॉर इनवायटींग अस आनी आज एक ब्युटिफूल तुजें प्रेमायसस हांगासर पळोवन बारी खुशी जाली कित्याक म्हळ्यार एका सायडीर हिंदी फिल्म्साची काले पोस्टर्स आसात आनी ती फिल्म तुवें प्रोड्यूस केल्ली आसात आनी तुजे इक्विपमेंट तांणी यूज केल्लें आसात आनी एक बारी खुशेची गल्ली म्हळ्यार नॉस्टॅल्जिया ओके शोले फिल्म हातूंत शूट जाल्लें म्हणून
100%.
ओल्ड कॅमेरा पयलें एका टायमार हिंदी फिल्म बॉलिवूडांत शूट करतना कॅमेरा असो आसलो आनी आज हांगा एंट्रन्सर आसा आनी आज केनी लागीं आमी उलोवन आसतना केनी हें फिल्ड बारी इंट्रस्टींग म्हाका इंट्रस्टींग कित्याक म्हळ्यार हांव एक मिडिया फिल्डर आसा पूण सगळें उलोवचें की पयलें एज युजल फर्स्ट तूं जल्मल्लोय उडपीन
करेक्ट
ओके तुज्या फॅमिली विशयांत तूं खंय तुजें इनिशियल इस्कल जालें मागीर दुबय येवन कसो पावलोय
Okay, so first of all, thank you for coming here. आणि हांव ट्राय करता कोंकणीन उलोवंक as much as possible. हांव म्हजो पप्पा म्हजे मम्मी गांवची मँगलोरची आपणा श्रीली पांबूर पिरगजेची
पांबूर बंटकल
आनी ती ल्हान म्हजे पप्पा आनी मम्मी दोगांय बोंबे मेळिल्ली सो आमी ल्हान आसतना मातसो ट्रॅवल करते आसलें बॉम्बे केरला म्हजो डॅडीचें खंय जॉब आसा थंय वताले आमी
तो कालें जॉब करतलो
सो ही वॉज एन इंजिनियर सो ही बेसिकली वॉज डुईंग ऑल द आयस फॅक्टरीज फॉर मनोरमा मध्वराज एंड ऑल द स्टफ ही वॉज एन इंजिनियर मल्पे या ही वॉज अ गाय हू डीड एवरीथिंग इन
तुमी कितले जाणां भुरगीं वटू
आमी 5 सो आय वॉज बॉर्न इन मल्पे इन फॅक्ट आनी and then I was brought up 6 years in Kerala and then I went to study in Manipal. So I started in EPS. It is called Madhava Kripa now.
Okay.
And then I went to MJC. And there I did my further studies. MJC, Manipal Junior College.
Manipal Junior College. MJC.
MJC.
Okay.
So it was the only English medium
Anek
school.
MGM asa dekha.
MGM asa, so we were like the Manipal boys. So yeah, I got 5 siblings. My panjana Asami. Teen, second number. So elder bow Bombay asa. And he's having his own business of air conditioning. So the next Muzay Club of Australia sa, he's a chartered accountant working for an oil and gas company. Then my sister asa, they came since Sikil and they Australia kaam karta Melbourne. And he was a doctor bow chemical engineer, toy MIT Sikilo, toy Perth asa.
Perth asa. Oh.
So all of that, I think he has met you once in Perth. Ronald, he told me that he has met you. Yeah. So yeah, so we're very thankful for the upbringing of our parents. And yeah, that's about it.
आता तुझी मम्मी आणि काही असं
आता म्हणजे मम्मी आता गावात असा
बंटकल
वय तिने म्हणल्यार पयलें ती मस्त ट्रॅव्हल करतली दुबय येवन रावतली ऑस्ट्रेलिया रावतली आणि तिका आता गावात आता बरें लागता आणि पप्पा आता सोडला इज ऑलमोस्ट लायक 19 years now. So he also passed away in Dubai only. He was on a holiday and he was not keeping well, but yeah, he anga to sorlo most varsa pehle. But yeah, and he was a very interesting person. There are certain things, and I was thinking of making a film about him. When he was young, from Secunderabad, he cycled all the way to Cape Comorin to Agra, cycling. So it was
adventure.
It's an amazing adventure. So he's my inspiration, in fact.
Okay.
And yeah.
बरं आता तू या फिल्डाक कसो म्हळ्यार अट्रॅक्ट जालो तू प्रोफेशनली काले तुजें एज्युकेशन एंत बॅकग्राऊंड गी आनी हें तुजें पॅशन
हांव कितें ल्हान आसतना पळय म्हाका इस्कॉलान शिकोवप म्हाका तितलें इंट्रस्ट जातलें. So you should ask Father Freddy from Belmont. So basically like हांव केदालें आर्ट करचें म्युजिकान म्हाका चड इंट्रस्ट आसलें. So म्हजो डॅडी केदालें म्हणटालो you should go into interior decorating or some art field when I was a kid.
Creative.
So yeah, so even my dad was an artist also, and so I never really took it seriously. So like most of the kids, most जाणां आमी पयलीं आमी ल्हान आसतना कॅर करना आमचें फ्युचर कशें शेप करचें. So I was one of those की हांवें तितलें इंट्रस्ट दिवना कालें करचें म्हणून. So I ended up coming into the hotel industry.
Oh.
So one of my uncle, Mr. Xavier D'Souza, he brought me to the holiday inn in Salala. But before that, I spent a lot of time in Mumbai doing different things. So this is a काम करतो लाव. And then I think I came to almost Salala ilo. Salala, I spent about a couple of years there. Then I came to Muscat Intercon. There I met this amazing photographer.
Okay.
So that is
so
where...
So Salala Muscat and hotel management.
Hotel management. I wanted to be a GM of a hotel. So I was studying hotel management. I was also getting promoted quite often. Sorry, I'm put in English. I'm kedalai maka promotion jatale. But I just mako to photographer tay mello. Tay meltana maka tane hotelan sangle tu creative asai kitak tu taka assist karna imun. So they said like to assist karung osmun. So I was 25 years old that time. And Takame Sangle, okay, I'll go give it a try. So I started, when I worked with him for 1 month, as his assistant and helping him to do photography, I said, I was blown away. Maka mastu interest tantu. I said like, this is close to what I really love doing. I discovered myself discovery kele. Then I, thane magir maka, as an assistant photographer job dilanga Dubai yung.
Oh.
So also,
but ते एक tough decision नहीं मतलब तुका ते job बरें आसले.
I had a very good job, room to stay, salary बरें आसले. I had my food and laundry, everything done. So that time, and he was offering me a very low salary to be an assistant. So it was like less than half of what I was getting.
पण तुझे passion ते असले.
I said if I don't take a risk at the carnival life, I'll miss it out. So I think taking that risk. That basically was the changing, and also I came and worked with him for about 3 years. Then I started doing photography myself. And magira kitan zale molar, the film industry ekdam new asilanga. So I used to do anything and everything possible. So it was a very good film school for me to learn. So internationally was yatalianga. So I was always fortunate to work with the best of cinematographers or directors or photographers. So also he had a studio, studio asile, equipment asile. So it was I think that's how it started off.
तो हांगा आयिल्लो खंयच्या वर्सा ते
ते 1996.
1996 अंत तुजें एक कंप्लिटली तूं पॅशन फॉलो करूंक सुरू करताय तुजें
वय.
म्हळ्यार एक तुजे भितर काले आसा तुका जाय जें म्हणून देखून तूं रिस्कान घेताय
Correct.
रिस्क काणून हांगा येवन मागीर तुजी जर्नी कशी आसली म्हळ्यार एक्शन फिल्म्साक येवच्या पयलें कालें पुरो जालें
So basically, like, see, आमी आपळे केदाराई anything you do, कालें करतना आसा आपळे, we need to give 100% commitment, dedication. And also basically like there is no, there is nothing that you have to be shy of or, because, end of the day hard work pays off, right? So I think I was doing an odd job. थोडी सगळी like ऑफिसाचें काम पसंद करतलीं, थोडी जाणां accountants जाय जे म्हणून आसता. हांव चिंतलें की म्हाका I know it is hard work, but at the end of the day, there is something which I am going towards. Kaling mujhe ek aim asa in my mind. I was thinking, so I kept on doing, hard work, learning from amazing individuals. So that's how it all started off. Yeah.
ओके मागीर तुवें बिझनस स्टार्ट करूंक तुका कोण इन्स्पिरेशन आनी फाटल्यान कोणी गॉडफादर आशिल्ले की या कॅपिटल आशिल्ले की
Na. So I think the first person who I told, so in 2004 my son was born and I was a freelancer and I was bure kaam karta I used to get a lot of work. I was one of the first freelancers in Dubai, in fact, in the film industry. So one day in the night I told my wife Marilyn, she's my biggest support system probably. I don't appreciate it as much but sometimes when you have people, I think I'm very grateful that she gave me the opportunity to say, do whatever you feel like. And I'm talking about 2005 there was a big feature for my langa, Syriana Manon. Te yatana kanzale, te pura equipment baila gaunda nattale, pura vastu. So that basically, like I said, Dubai is such an amazing country. They can literally buy all of that maybe in one go. They are buildings, so but nobody had that passion or the drive. So I had to start somewhere. So I think I saved some money, like $10,000, and I just, I bought 4 Kino flows. They are still with me. And just to support the family with some additional income. So it used to always be, Guardian Kedale Astale. So I should take it on shoots wherever I go, and if I charge, I charge. If not, I would just use it for my job.
equipment
So no, it was Kino flow lighting.
Lighting.
I had got like 4 lights. No, so basically I used to work as a crew member on the set. So basically after 3 years, then I became freelancer because there was one of the biggest company, Filmworks Manasile. Filmworks, so they basically wanted me on every job. Tanimaka, they supported me a lot. And Tanimaka, so I was just like, buying small items myself, whatever is required for the industry. That's sort of
Put the company got equipment nathile. Tani
bayar start chalne. So Dubai was very new, and there was equipment asile na mono nahi. But I think so. I felt the passion. See, I really took a santa. Ye business aapala. It's not a business. It's something which comes from passion. So I don't see it as a business. I don't business one. For me, I want to every day enjoy kartanga. When I see ours today, maybe we are doing 6 shoots, right? I think yesterday or yesterday before we were doing with Ranbir and Alia. So every day we are, it's very interesting, and I get to travel a lot. I meet a lot of interesting people. Today is like a very, very quiet day. It works well, but if not, you'll see like people like, there'll be like 25 people anga coffee piyata, creative zone. So it is like a very, very interesting place to be, and I don't feel at work at all. I just feel like I'm having a holiday. So yeah. So basically, like, see, I think also I should give credit to the industry. They always said, Crispin, why don't you do that? So I kept on like pushing myself because I didn't believe in myself. Sometimes, you don't believe in yourself. But some people see that I had a potential, and they asked me, why don't you do something like that for the industry? And that's how it all started, the journey started.
Okay, bari ek interesting journey. Puno ya interesting journey to mukar vetana tu ent own freelance start karna itle as wodle setup zala. Wodle setup ante avchinta kali ye matra nahi event management asa dusre kanche activities sir.
So I have been told maka bastuna sangta you are one of the biggest in the Middle East, So I think it was a journey. It was an interesting journey. I think you asked me Kalimpura business karta. So basically, like, so we have an office Dubai and Tasanga. So I really company now action films.
Action films.
So the film I see sometimes you manifest things in your mind. So I put a Z, didn't put an S. I said I want to do A to Z in filmmaking.
Okay.
So before I went to take the license, I said I want the Z, not an S. Okay. So so that was something I thought. So I thought I should have. I mean, anga studio asaje amka, amtelegi crew asaje, equipment asaje, and so basically that's how the journey started. So I have got action films Dubai. I got action films in Abu Dhabi. I got a similar setup in Saudi Arabia, Riyadh.
Oh, okay.
And then basically I have an events management company which does really some good work here with some selective clients. आणि मुझे wife Ocean Kids like institute असा.
Dance.
So dance and music and art and craft, karate. So that also is something I'm managing.
तुझी wife Mangalore चित्तकी
ती Mangalore but she was brought up in Pune.
पुणे.
Pune.
किंच्या वर्षात तुमचे काजार जाल्ले?
आमचे 2003.
Oh, 2003. आणि आता कितले भुरगे आसात?
4 भुरगीं आसात.
Wow.
Yeah.
कले चेडवाचे.
So I got eldest son Keith was born in 2004. He's in Canada, Toronto. Is final year in his university. And मुझे दू Kelly, 17 years old. She's in London. She's doing a schooling there, and she will be going to uni as well. Then I've got Caden, who basically is year 6 now. He's in JPS Jumeirah. आणि एकलो Keegan म्हणून. So he's in year 3.
Okay.
So you know we just live here in Jumeirah. So they go
तीन
to
दोघं
school.
यंग असतात.
तीन दोघं असतात.
ओके, ग्रेट. आता तुझ्या या 20+ इयर्स एक्सपिरियन्स या कंपनींत मस्त स्टोरीज आसतले म्हळ्यार
100%.
बॉलिवूड सुपरस्टार्स आतां धरले. तूं काले आमच्या ऑडियन्सा कडेन शेअर करूंक अशें समथींग व्हेरी इंटरेस्टिंग.
First of all, in anything you do, na, you should fall in love with that whatever you do. You should really love your job, and then nothing can stop you from growing. Anek main important is like, you know, I think the success is not only me. Success is also about people. So the people who joined me in 2005-6 when I kick-started this company, आज मुझसे मुझे उठा सर. So the ratio of people leaving is, you know, I have never fired a person from my company today.
Okay.
And I think people make you. So you have to invest in the people. People forget that one thing is that they think people can be replaceable. I think it is not the right thing. I think, you know, my biggest asset, if you see, is the anga pada kon kaam karta tha pada. Thaniye kela. It was maybe I was the visionary. I had an idea. Because still maybe 4 years, most of the time I was always shooting as a director of photography or directing commercials. So maybe I was only here like 6 days in a month, sorry. And I was outdoor rastalo, travel kartalo. And but I always was involved in the business. And it's also you need to always aim to be, I want to be the number one. I want to be the best. So if you don't tell that to yourself, you will never be able to achieve number one. So you need to always like also, I mean, first of all, Asians, Indians, I'm catering to an international audience.
Okay.
So we ought to always be on top of the game. Because, you know, when I get a call from a producer of Mission Impossible saying, I have never seen a service like that, you know, and I would like to come and see you. So these things, you know, matter a lot. So the rewards come by service. You know, this is a service industry. We are serving the industry by giving them world-class equipment. Also, मुझे knowledge must to travel करता हूँ. I go, must to seminars I attend करता. So you know about like the तुम कोना उट्टुक mix आता है. You should embrace the right people.
Correct.
And also hard work always pays. Nothing comes easy. So you need to always like, you know, don't find the easy way, always find the, you know, hard, tough way, and I'm sure, you know, there's always success waiting for you there.
Correct. Very interesting. But तुवें अशें ऑफ ट्रॅक उलयतना सांगलें ऑफ द रेकॉर्ड साऊदीन ती आज तूं कालें हें आसा प्लस थंय फिल्म शूट केलाय म्हणून सी आमच्या तल्यांक एक पुढचे आयकतना इल्लें सरप्रायज जाता कित्याक म्हळ्यार आमी साऊदी अरेबिया म्हळ्यार एक कंट्री पळयल्या थंय मुवी जायनात की कालेंगी म्हणून बट आतां कंप्लिटली चेंज जाल्या थंय कशें तुवें पॉसिबिलिटीज येयले पळय ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज एक्सप्लोर केले आनी थंय फ्युचर कशें आसा आनी कसली फिल्म थंय शूट केल्या तुवें
वॉल्टर साऊदी पळय तांणी म्हाका 6 years जावन 7 years जालीं ती म्हाका इनवायट करतली कम आनी हांव आसा पळय केदाळे हांव हेजिटेट आसलो साऊदी मे बी आय वोंट बी एबल टू डू थिंग्स देर बट I want to do हांव पळय तांच्या ग्रोथाक I want to be part of the growth more than the business or the money. What drives me is being part of amazing things, right? It's not like the money is a byproduct of things, So I'm thinking even because they are asking me to come so many times. I said let me take a chance. So Alula called me, Neom called me. They wanted to offer me like a free space. They wanted my expertise. So also I go a lot to talk, give them ideas what to do, how to get the industry growing, how to educate people. So whatever, see, life is all about giving also, no? Yes. So it's all about giving. So I always like to share my thoughts. I also attend all the film festivals there. So it took me 5 years to say I want to. Because I did one feature, all the films I did was Desert Warrior. It's a Hollywood film. Yeah. It is yet to release. Kandahar. Then I did one of the biggest for Turkey al-Sheikh called Seven Dogs. The feature film is in post-production now. They are massive projects, massive in the sense equipment, you won't believe how much equipment I have in Saudi now. So their ask is, immense. So basically to fulfill their requirements, you also need to have the kind of people asking about the industry. Yes, they must do growth asa, but it will take time. I was very fortunate कि हांवें 3 ते व्हडली फिल्म केली आणि ऑल्सो आतां I think so next week we are starting an 8-month huge drama for NBC. Everything is lined up there in Saudi. So I've done a lot of work not only in Dubai, also in Tunisia. I'll be see once I'll tell you a story. NBC was doing a massive project for 2 years in Tunisia, and they called me and said, Crispin, we want you to service this job in Tunisia. I said, why would you take equipment from here? Because you're going to go across ocean. And they said, no, we want to work with you. And we got an award also from the government, from broadcast basically, because of what we did. Generally, equipment always came to Dubai or Emirates, but we sent equipment from Dubai into another country. So we broke the,
record.
Interesting. So it was, because nothing is impossible. To a calling career, but you need to put your mind in there and your 100% commitment. I'll see. In other words, Walter, I think why people anga kita geta tolaru. One thing is you build your trust. Correct. Once you build trust, then everything flows. So it is the main important is you need to build trust in people, because as I said, in anything you do, let it be a doctor, you go there only because you trust the person, right? Correct. So I think it's important that we build trust in people, and that basically takes you to a next level. So I think we've got some amazing projects, a lot of achievements. Like once again, I would because of the people who are here. Team, unbelievable. They are like insane. I'd just love them,
But म्हाका एक सांग, म्हाका म्हळ्यार या टेक्निकल तितले नॉलेज नातल्यांत इंडियांत बॉलिवूडचे व्हडले फिल्म येतात बजेट 500 crore 1000 crores. तूं चिंताय की हांगा आसले इतले एडवान्स्ड इक्विपमेंट थंय आसात?
ओके.
या तुमी थंय वतात की?
नाही. See, honest speaking, I can handle about 10 to 12 commercials a day here. Okay. We have got a big inventory. We got about 35 set of prime lenses. We got you name it, we have it. Konchi ek gost na industry, you can challenge me ki we don't have it here. So it is almost like an international standard of rental house, because why? It helped. I myself a technician, no? So it is easy for me to make judgments of what is working, what is right. Like tomorrow I have got Canon in Japan coming to see me. So there's always a dialogue where also they come to talk to me about what is right, what is wrong. So it's always
no camera launch kartana bahusha first
100%. I always the first one. Fuji is launching a camera, so I'll be the person who will, they'll come to me. We'll do it here. We do the testing. Also, most of the time when new products yetana, I always want to be the first to buy them, because also when the industry here, they say, oh, Crispin has bought it, then it means it's a good product. That basically comes from experience of mine. And also there's a lot of love here in the industry for me also.
Okay.
So yeah, but I've been in a good space. It's been very fortunate to be here and do what I'm doing.
खंयचे व्हडले बॉलिवूड फिल्म या फिल्म स्टारा सांगात तुवें सड्ड काम केलां?
Honestly speaking, apart from the rental business, I have a production company also.
Oh, okay.
So it is managed by an Lebanese producer. So it's a different company. I try to keep it a little quiet.
Okay.
So I basically produced 3 big ads for Shah Rukh Khan.
Okay.
And that was the biggest, for Dubai tourism. So, and also that is from the production side. But I think every single project, massive project, Dubai in Jatana, involves Zajit. So even if production company is a job melta, Zalri आता पड़े आवता 20 years जाना Emirates Airlines से shoot करता. जितले तो ad पड़ता है Emirates Airlines से.
तुम्ही शूट करता.
आमचे equipment होता थे. थोड़े बटी shoot करता. I have shot so many ads for Emirates Airlines. The other day, Tim Clark, I interviewed him.
Okay.
Because they did not know how to light him because he's a little old and he's very grumpy. Sorry, I don't discuss.
Okay,
so basically, they said only you can light him. So I had a particular thing in mind. I wanted to see the terminal in the background and have him here. So it was very tricky to light him, and he doesn't like cameras and lights and all. He's a very, and so you get interesting people. Like up to studio bitra sapla, yeah studio ante. The world's most popular people have come. I don't know. Have you seen this recently? Also, Honey Singh's video is going on Chingam. It was shot in my studio.
Okay.
So all Honey Singh's videos are shot with us only. Or let it be celebrities like I have shot with so many celebrities myself as a cinematographer. I think sometimes when I built that studio, it was Dubai was like a recession time. So everyone said, "Why are you doing this one?" So I said because I want to do it. So he said everyone is leaving Dubai. Kitak tu karte aisa hai. So I said no, it is. I just want to do it. So that is how, and then it became the most popular studio of Dubai. So I will show you also something which I'm building in the back, and I'll tell you why I thought about it and what's the reason behind it. Kitak tu karte aisa.
Okay.
So yeah.
आता yes, Kenny. Very interesting story. तुम्ही पुरा सगळ्या अंत केलाय सौदी, दुबई आणि आफ्रिका. then India, Bollywood, okay, amazing job. पूण एक 2020 सगळं वर्ल्ड एक पॉज जाता कोविडांत आणि हांवें ऑलमोस्ट इतल्या जाणांक बिझनेसमॅनांक इंटरव्यू करतना तांतून 90% they suffered loss or depressed or panicked. What was your situation 2020? म्हळ्यार प्रोडक्शन जायनातलें.
Can I be very honest? Yes. There is COVID. And there was, I'll be very honest. I think, first time samche nahi. I must have sangla. COVID was a testing for me, and after COVID, I must grow zalya.
After COVID?
After
During COVID kishya आले situation?
I only, amka 3 mahine maatra problem आले.
Okay.
And then, I made the biggest film called Mission Impossible. During COVID. So, honestly speaking, I took a most story as a song.
Okay.
So the whole industry was in a standstill, but I was purchasing worth millions.
Oh.
So I also had people were asking me what is this guy doing? So sometimes you need to also think deep inside that if you feel I want to win, you'll always win. Okay, so the Mission Impossible really film melonatle. So Mission Impossible someone pura khani go I'm ready aslo. So basically when the movie came, I won that project, and that was my stepping stone into really growing to become a much more bigger company. After that I did Kandahar, I did like Bloody Daddy, I did Desert Warrior. So all the big films came after COVID. So I think when a situation comes, you should not panic.
Panic, yeah.
You should basically because it is not. I knew that it was not there forever. It was going to come and go. So it was difficult to. My biggest challenge makadista ki time ko spend karche. That was the problem than anything else. I used to come cycling from home to work and going back because I could spend 2 hours. Instead of coming in a car, में 10 मिनट में पहुंचता. So cycle में आता था, cycle में जाता था.
Okay, आता तुका इतले व्हडले अचीवमेंट करणं एका लेवलाक येताना तुझे चाइल्डहूड डेज उडास येतात. तुझी मम्मी तुझी कितली म्हळ्यार तिका हें पुरा कशें एक्सप्लेन करता तूं ती करता तागे?
Of course. She तिका पूरा गुड आसा. म्हजी मम्मी तिणेंत इनॉग्रेट केल्लें ल्हान स्टुडियो. आणि हर ब्लेसिंग्स आर देअर.
आणि एक मूवी तिच्या नावावर तुम्ही प्रोड्यूस
वय
केली
वय वय
तिच्या नावावर
वय फ्लोरिन डॉमिनिकच्या नावावर
Yes,
प्रोड्यूस
yes, 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 yes.
केलं सरकीत म्हणलं दॅट इज इट हॅज बीन नॉमिनेट फॉर एन अवॉर्ड.
वेल आता अकरेक आमच्या यंगस्टर्सांक आज आमच्या कम्युनिटींनी मस्त जण इंटरेस्टेड आसात तांकां आयदर ह्या फिल्डाक येवचे जावंक पुरो एज एन एक्टर ऑर एज ए टेक्निशियन ऑर काले फोटोग्राफर जावन गी डायरेक्शन गी या दुसरे एंटरटेनमेंट फील्ड आनी तांकां एक येवचे इंट्रस्ट आसा. आज कोंकणींत वर्साक 3 फिल्मां येतात, पयलीं एक येनातली. सो दीस इयर वी हॅव ऑलरेडी काले म्हणटात लॉन्च 3 मुवीज लॉन्च जाल्यात. सो कोंकणींत एक इंट्रस्ट आसा, मार्केट ल्हान आसा ऑफकोर्स वी कॅनॉट कंपेर खंयच्या विशयांत. पूण एक मॅसेज तुवें दियत आमच्या यंगस्टर्सांक तांणी ह्या फिल्डाक येयचें जाल्यार खाली गरजे पॅशन आसा जे बट देन हाऊ टू मूव ऑन.
सी वॉल्टर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ना आम्ही केदाळे खंय फिल्माच्या विशयान शिकोवना. ओके आमी सगळीं एवरी वन इज टॅलंटेड आणि सगळ्यां एक देर इज एन आर्टिस्ट. सगळीं आर्टिस्ट, एवरी ह्युमन बींग इज एन आर्टिस्ट. I always think even the guy who cuts the hair also, he's an artist. If you give me a scissors, म्हाका कळना कशें शूट करचें म्हण. So I think first of all तुजें like passion आसा जें like you said, then you need to have patience and you need to believe in yourself and never give up. Never give up. कित्याक म्हळ्यार I'll be very honest, this is a very very well paid job, but ते एक process आसा. Process like, see for example what happens, especially I think many years ago I spoke to you. See, we all want to become doctors or engineers or we always want a white collar job.
Exactly.
So I think today if you look at social media, the way the industry is going with influencers and stuff like that. So I think it is a big shift also in the industry we are. I think you are only seeing part of it. There is so much more equipment which is changed with digital today. Like if you see this camera,
yes.
This is basically a film camera.
Right,
it is not being used anymore. It is as a prop now, as a door stopper. So I think they should believe in themselves and work with some really amazing people. It is not easy. But you should never give up. Keep on pushing yourself, and definitely there is result going to be there. I think your honesty will be seen. One more thing, I have पळयला की हांगा मस्त फायनल इयर भुरग्यांक लेक्चर आनी दिवंक वता. हांगा माय मणिपाल आसा, हांगा अमित युनिवर्सिटी आसा. सो एवरी इयर हांव तांच्या फायनल इयर स्टुडंट्साक I go on the final day to watch the films they shot, and I also give my experience. I talk to them every year. The world is getting smaller. Like, see, we are filming with a small camera like this. Everyone is making things so much. They want everything to be easy. So if you really want to dive deep, you need to go through the tough, and then you can, so I think, you cannot take the easy way out. So you should, like, you talk to me about anything. You said to me, I want to make this dark, I want to make it at night. You should know how to make it night. So that only comes with practice and working with the right people.
करेक्ट. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच केनी. वंडरफुल तुझ्या विशयान काले म्हणटात बरें आमकां इल्ली नॉलेज मेळ्ळी, आमच्या ऑडियन्सांक नॉलेज मेळ्ळी. आनी तुमकां कोणाक हांगा पळोवंक येवचें जाल्यार एक दीस फुल्ल जायचे पडत, तितले व्हडले सेटअप आसा. बट आमी आमच्या प्रोग्रामांत थोडे विज्युअल्स तुमकां दाखयल्यात सो दॅट यू अंडरस्टँड, तुमकां कळटलें हाचें सेटअप कशें आसा काले नेचर गी म्हणून. थोडे फावटी आमी उलयतना तो कालें करता म्हणून कळना, बट ताजे ते थोडे विज्युअल्स पळोवन तुमी अंडरस्टँड केलेत आसतले. बट आज केनीन एक ब्युटिफूल मॅसेज दिल्या. द फर्स्ट थिंग कालें म्हळ्यार कितेंय आसूं दी, फॉलो युअर पॅशन ताणें फॉलो करून बरें जॉब असलें ताणें सोडलें आनी असिस्टंट फोटोग्राफर जावन तो दुबय आयलो. आनी आज इतली ह्यूज व्हडली कंपनी मात्र बिल्ड केल्या मात्र न्ही, ही इज एन्जॉयींग बिकॉज ही लव्स हीज जॉब. आनी तो कालें करता, तो एन्जॉय करता आनी ताजे टिमांतय तो बरोसो दवरता आनी तें एक्सपांड जावनूच वता, केवळ हांगा दुबयंत मात न्ही, ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. सो तुका हांव आमच्या दैजी वर्ल्डाच्या सर विक्षका तर्फेन बरी भलायकी लांब आवको आनी आनीक चड ग्रोथ मागता. देव बरें करूं. थँक्यू फॉर युअर टायम. मोगाच्या विक्षकानो, गल्फ टॉकीज कोंकणी कार्यक्रमांत आज आमचे मध्ये क्रिस्पिन कॅनडी, एक अप्रूप पर्सनालिटी, फिल्म पर्सनालिटी म्हणून सांगितलं, म्हळ्यार बिहायंड द कॅमेरा ताजें वर्क चड आसा. कॅमेराच्या मुखार ताची वळख तुमकां कितल्या जाणांक आसा गोत्तू ना, पूण कॅमेराच्या पटल्यान ॲक्शन फिल्म्स म्हणल्या नांवान ताणें नांवालां केल्यांत. सो ताजी लायफ तुमकां ताजें अचिवमेंट तुमकां इन्स्पायर जालां अशें हांव चिंता. येवच्या एपिसोडान आनी एक पर्सनालिटी तुका आमची आनी तुमची भेट जातली. पळयत रावा दायजी वर्ल्ड 24/7. नमस्कार.